The Kindness of the Bear. A short moral story. In a peaceful forest, all the animals feared Bruno the bear. His big paws, loud growl, and towering figure made everyone stay away. But Bruno wasn't mean, he was just shy and quiet. One chilly morning, a squirrel named Nibbles slipped and injured his paw near Bruno's cave. Scared but unable to move, Nibbles whimpered. Hearing the cry, Bruno peeked outside. Seeing the tiny squirrel in pain, Bruno gently scooped him up and brought him inside. He wrapped Nibbles' paw in soft moss, gave him berries, and told gentle stories in his deep voice. Word of Bruno's kindness spread through the forest. The animals were surprised. The bear they once feared had the warmest heart. When spring came, Nibbles ran through the trees again, and he always made sure to visit Bruno. Soon, Bruno's cave was never quiet. Birds, foxes, and even rabbits came to hear his stories and share food. Bruno was never lonely again. Moral: don't judge others by how they look. Kindness often hides in the most unexpected hearts. Thank you for watching.